March na and it means summertime. Kaya tara at samahan niyo akong lumangoy, mag-cliff diving, at magkayak sa Lucky Beach, Mariveles, Bataan. Tara, samahan niyo akong makilakwatsa. So wala pa ring bago, as usual, joiner pa rin tayo sa lakwatsang ito. Di tulad niya na maiba ng bago. Charot! 12 AM when we left Baguio and it took us more than 4 hours to reach Bataan. Around 4:30 AM nung nakarating kami, and since maaga pa, we took a short break muna before having a breakfast around 6 AM. After breakfast, dumiretso na kami sa daungan ng mga bangka kung saan sasakay kami papuntang Lucky Beach. Bago namin marating ang Lucky Beach, mag-island hopping muna kami. So may 2 stops muna bago kami makarating sa main destination. About 15 minutes boat ride, we reached the first stop, which was with this island na puno ng mga rock formations. Medyo matutulis nga lang yung mga ibang bato, so bawal ang tatanga-tanga dito at baka masaktan ka. Aside from the rock formations, of course, pwede ka ding lumangoy dito kasi sobrang linaw ng tubig. At kung extreme activities naman ang hanap mo, they also have a 40 feet cliff diving na pwede mong subukan. Pero since trauma na tayo sa past experience, hanggang dito na lang ang nakayanan natin. Halos 1 hour din kami nagstay sa first stop bago kami bumiyahe papunta sa second stop. It only took us around 5 minutes boat ride. For the second stop, ganun pa rin actually, puno ng rock formations, pero ang rock formations dito mas aesthetic kumpara sa first stop. Perfect talaga for photos and sure na swak sa IG feeds mo. Unfortunately, medyo nagmamadali sila kuyang bangkero for some reason, kaya di kami masyadong nagtagal dito, but still, the place was worth the stop. Anyway, so ayun na nga, let's go to our main destination, ang Lucky Beach. Mga 30 minutes ulit na boat ride bago kami makarating, and yes, medyo mahaba-haba nga yung biyahe, but at least the view was stunning. Clear blue seas, mountains, and clouds na perfect combo for island hopping. Plus, this old big ship na maku-curious ka talaga kung para saan nga pa. And just like that, we've reached Lucky Beach. White sand, mountains behind the coconut trees, and that clear blue sea. Sobrang ganda, napaka-tropical vibes ang dating, kung hindi lang dahil sa mga tents sa bungad. Around 10:20 AM na kami nakarating dito, so quick merienda lang muna bago mag-explore sa island. Of course, di mawawala ang chikahan with other joiners, and one funny thing is yung isa naming kasama may dala pang printed pictures for poses na gagayahin niya daw. Grabe, permitted lokoy din nakita di ay ante. So ayun na nga, after a while, nagkanya-kanya na muna kaming mga buhay. Pero kami, pumila muna kami para sa crystal kayak. Medyo pila kasi they only have 2 crystal kayaks and kailangan talagang mag-antay na di niya kayang gawin kaya ka iniwan. Charot! After waiting for felt like forever, finally my turn na. Excited pa yan siya kasi first time. By the way, tag 15 minutes lang pala per head, which is enough for picture taking. Aside from the crystal kayak, meron din silang mababang cliff diving spot dito. Perfect para sa konting adrenaline. On the other side naman ng island, they have a dead pool, which can be dangerous kapag sobrang lakas ng alon. So, extra caution talaga pag pumunta ka dito. Pagkatapos naming makalibot sa island, we decided to call it a day na at maligo. Mga 3 PM na nang matapos kaming lahat maligo, and habang nag-aantay sa bangka, nagkasayahan muna ang mga people. Nagsala dagijay taga Baguio kung taga Trinidad iji Bataan ante. Maginam, sikaw san kagasatan, awad lusan nun binakna. And just like that, the fun was over. Another 30 minutes na boat ride papunta sa van drop-off, and pagkababa namin, inabutan na kami ng sunset. Before we finally head back to Baguio, nag-stop over muna kami sa Port View Deck. Ang ganda ng view, kahit medyo madilim na nung nakarating kami and the sun was about to set, still, it was a great view. Siguro, mas maganda pa to kapag medyo maliwanag. And that's it for today's Lakwatsa. After sa view deck, diretso na ulit kami sa Baguio. And kung gusto nyo din pumunta at gaya ko kayong di marunong mag-DIY, you can join Travelsphere Adventures as a joiner. Check nyo na lang yung page nila for more details, and also, credits na din po to Travelsphere Adventures for their drone shots. Yun lang, bye!